Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore a really interesting question. Does hydrochloric acid dissolve plastic? We often think of acid as something that eats through everything it touches, but the real story with plastic is a bit more complex. The answer isn't a simple yes or no, because it all depends on the specific type of plastic we are talking about. First, let's understand hydrochloric acid, also known as HCl. It is a very strong and corrosive acid. It's the same acid that's in our stomachs helping to digest food, and it's widely used in industries for cleaning metals and other processes. Because it's so powerful with metals, it's fair to ask what it does to plastic. Now, let's consider plastic. The word plastic is a huge umbrella term for many different materials called polymers. A water bottle, a car bumper, and a PVC pipe are all plastics, but they have very different chemical makeups. This chemical difference is the key to our question. So, what happens when the acid meets the plastic? For the vast majority of common plastics, the answer is surprisingly, not much at all. Many plastics are specifically designed to be chemically resistant. Let's look at a few key examples. First, we have polyethylene, or P, which is used to make milk jugs, shampoo bottles, and most importantly, the containers used to store and ship acids like HCl. Its chemical structure is very stable and non-reactive, so the acid can't break it down. Second on our list is polypropylene, or pages. You find this in lab equipment, car parts, and many food containers. It is also extremely resistant to acids. A third example is PVC, or polyvinyl chloride, which is used for pipes and window frames. It holds up very well against hydrochloric acid, especially at room temperature. These plastics are resistant because their long, strong polymer chains don't have weak spots that the acid can easily attack and break apart. However, not all plastics are created equal. Some types can be damaged by strong acids, even if they don't completely dissolve. Plastics like nylon or polycarbonate can be weakened, become brittle, or crack after prolonged contact with concentrated HCl. The acid attacks their more vulnerable chemical bonds, degrading the material over time rather than dissolving it into a puddle. So, the main takeaway is that most everyday plastics are incredibly tough and will not be dissolved by hydrochloric acid. That's precisely why it's safely stored in plastic bottles. The type of plastic is the single most important factor. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this information useful and learned something new, please show your support by hitting the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. It truly helps us make more content just like this. We'll see you next time.